Hello, this is Dr. Samurai. Our life is survival every day. So, 8 billion people justify their irresponsible acts every day. Because of that, we are now getting so close to the end of the world. The earth is getting hot with less oxygen and ultraviolet rays, as with all the other dead planets in the universe. As people are losing love and empathy, they are getting more aggressive to the others. In other words, the distractions of environment and distractions of human beings are now progressing at the same level. That is, we are destroying nature both outside and inside of ourselves. And this destruction of nature is happening because we are subconsciously denying nature, which is the habitats of animals whom we highly despise, because we need to kill them regularly for foods every day. What this means is 8 billion people are living with clear contradiction of denying nature while living on this natural planet. So, what can we do? The answer is simple. We need to shift to not victimizing nature and animals. It also means not destroying our natural feelings inside of ourselves, and also living not ignoring laws of nature, which is the perfect balance, including no invasion, fairness to wisdom and abilities, and waste-free lifestyle. By not victimizing nature and animals, we can integrate ourselves with this planet Earth, which can only gives you unshakable stability and power. Yet, how can we do all these? The answer is actually very simple. We just maintain our current lives by shifting to live with alternatives. As a professional drummer, Mr. Travis Barker is fully enjoying his life by switching to alternative meats. Each time we face exploiting nature and animals, we just think about using alternatives with no waste. Here is the truth. Western God is identical to Eastern nature, which created everything on this living planet. And what the Armageddon actually means is the tipping point of destructions of nature, with animals as being the very messengers from nature, as we are also a part of them. And the simple prayer for all of you starting 2023 is: love animals, love yourself, and love the earth. If we have a one true religion on this earth, it is that our eternal life is promised only when we live and die perfectly integrated with this natural planet. If 8 billion people over the world shift just a little bit of their everyday lives by reciting this prayer, you can truly live forever with this miracle planet with true peace and happiness. Let's have a wonderful life together on this same miracle planet.